Hello, this is Bruno Casero, and in this video I'm going to show you how the data exfiltration simulator works. This tool was built to try to reproduce two techniques listed in the Mitre attack framework, the technique 1020 and the technique 1119. When you run this tool, it will automatically connect in every single folder and subfolder of your disk, and you search for files like PDF, Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoint, and others. And after those files are found, they will be sent to a FTP server that you specify. Okay? After you run this test, you can use your existing tools to search for this behavior. Okay? So this is my lab environment. Here I already have downloaded the data exfiltration simulator XZ. If you need to test this in your environment, you can download this file in my GitHub folder. It's github.com/bcaseri/data exfiltration simulator. Before running this tool, just make sure you can connect to your FTP server and that your username and password can actually upload data to this FTP server. So I'm gonna test here. You can see this test file was uploaded. This is my FTP home directory, so it means my FTP connection is good and my account has permissions to upload data to it. Now I'm gonna run this data exfiltration simulator. It will ask for my FTP server, username, and password. And as you can see in the screen, it will automatically try to connect in every single folder and we will be uploading data to my FTP server. So here you can see there are a couple of files in my FTP home directory already, okay, and it was not finished yet. Let's see some ways to try to detect this thing. This is the Cybereason console. As you can see, we have the data theft section and we already have a detection for this behavior. Okay, we're not looking for the binary here, we're looking for the behavior. So if you click in this alert, you see there are two machines compromised by this behavior, the root cause, potential data exfiltration, and then the executable over here. You can do another click and then you see more details, like when it happened. You can see the first time it happened, like June 11, 2020. If you click, you see the workstation name and the username, and you can see that after a couple of hours another machine was compromised by the same attack. It was on today. You can click and then you see the host name and the other username. So there are a couple of more information that you can dig in. So here you can basically see the username, the machine was compromised, the executable. You can see if there are child processes or not, if there are load modules or not, and also you can see all of the connections, okay? Every single connection made by this process. And as you can see here, there are 200 connections. Doesn't matter if it's 10 or 2000, we are going to see all of them. Also, you can see the hash of this data exfiltration simulator process. You can also see the command line, and also you can see how much data was sent through this process. Okay, let's say this is a real attack. You want to block this, you can click and respond, and here you can remediate. Okay, if you click remediate, it will automatically select the two machines impacted by this thread and will automatically tell you what you need to do. In this case, you just need to quarantine, but if there are persistence in registry keys, it will automatically delete the registry keys as well. It will kill process, etc. So remediate will stop this in the affected machines. And if you do prevention, it will prevent that the same attack happen in other machines. It will share the hash of this file to all of the other systems in my network. So if I have another 10,000 machines in my network, next time somebody tries to run this process in one of those machines, it will be blocked in the pre-execution. However, let's say you don't have Cybereason. How we can detect this behavior using different tools? one way to do that, you can use whatever tool you have. In my case, I'm gonna query. I just wanna focus on machine workstation 03, for instance. And then I'm gonna look for all processes that were running this machine. However, in this case, I'm not concerned about the FTP client, the real FTP.exe client. Okay, I could specify the Windows System 32, the entire path. But in this case, I want to see all processes that run in this machine called Workstation 03. That's not the FTP client. As you can see, there are a lot of stuff here, a lot of process. Then we want to show just the process that had connection in the port 21, which is the FTP port, except the FTP client.exe. And then you can see here there are a couple of different processes. And then we can find here the data exfiltration. So one way to find this thing is to search for all established connections in the port 21 or in the FTP port, and look for the process that is raising these connections. And then you'll see if this is a valid process or a suspicious process. Okay, this is one way to detect this thing. That's it. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope this video was informative to you.